Wouldn't it be crazy if I told you that this pair of headphones I got for $75 could supposedly keep up with the $500 AirPod Max or the $400 Sony XM5? Today, we are going to be unboxing and giving our first impressions of the Anker Soundcore Q45 active noise cancelling headphones. The Space Q45 claims to have adaptive active noise cancellation, 50 hours of playtime, transparency mode, and detail-rich sound. Anker says that these headphones will reduce noise by up to 98%. Now that's enough of the specs. Join me as we explore what Anker has inside this box. Okay, and here we have the headphones in this carrying case. Here we have the word Soundcore, quick start guide. Okay, this case feels kind of soft, a softer case. Feels pretty good, has a little strap here. And then here's the zipper. Let's open it up, see what we got inside. Boom, ooh, that looks nice, I like that. That looks really nice. Take out these headphones and give them a look here. That's shiny. I like how it's shiny there. It looks beautiful. And they unfold like this, it looks like. Okay. And here's the soft sort of foam with a pleather, I'm guessing, on there. And then we can adjust here. There's some little nodules where it clicks to get your size. Then we have a few buttons over here. There's a power button, and there's a noise cancellation button, and there's a USB-C. Over here we have 3.5mm audio jack. Then we have play pause, volume up and volume down. The buttons feel pretty good, not too bad. Cool, now let's try them on. Guys, it's editing Ty. If you like the video so far, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out, and you'll be able to see some cool new content in the future. Peace. Adjust the side, adjust the side. So passive noise cancellation so far is pretty good. I can hear my air purifier in the back. Passive is okay. It's not the best I've heard. My Audio Technicas, I think, do a little better. These are Audio Technica M50X. These do a little bit better with the passive noise cancellation. Anyway, we're not talking about those. Let's go ahead and turn these on. They're on. It just said battery medium. Let's go ahead and turn noise cancellation on. It's on transparency mode. Okay. This is definitely not as good as the AirPod Pros. Yeah, it doesn't sound like, with the AirPod Pros in, the earbuds, it sounds like I'm just talking in real life. But here I can kind of tell there's a little bit of stuff going on. I can hear my voice kind of being played back to me in the headphones, but it's not bad. I paid $75 for these, so I can't expect too much. But as we know, online it says these have really good reviews. Let's continue exploring why. Now it's on noise canceling. I can still hear myself snap. I would have to hear this in more of a public environment. For first impressions, I think it sounds pretty good. I can still hear my air purifier in the back, though it's very quiet. Now let's test out the audio quality. Okay, so I just got them connected up to my Mac with Spotify. When you first turn it on, it will enter pairing mode. And you can also have two devices connected at the same time. Now it's time to give some music a go.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fried. Choked out for the 100th time. Daniel Rick on the track, I swear. The baddest bitch on the map, 5 words. Go get the bag, honey. Baby got no money, got it all, don't act malicious. The only thing that I lack, forgiveness. I wish Kim was still with us, but he's up above, just bearing witness.
Okay, I'm on transparency mode now. I just listened to my first song. And Aries, I think you said your music is copyright free, so I'm going to play your song. Aries, I'm going to play your song on this video. Do not strike me. This is your new song, and I'm pretty sure you said it. So please. Anyway, so I was listening to the song. Here are my first impressions. These don't get all that loud, actually. I maxed out the volume, and it does leave something to be desired. I think it can get a little bit louder. The sound quality overall is not amazing. I will say that it's not amazing. I definitely heard better. Let me do a second sound test on my M50Xs here. Okay, yeah, there's no contest. The Audio Technicas sound way better. They blow these out of the water. These sound pretty good though. For the price, like I said, $75, this sounds really good. Okay, and now I'll play another song. This is Superhero by Unknown Brain.
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. Only one.
Got the volume maxed. Yeah, the bass is not bad. I can't hear myself talking, by the way.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed.
got the drop coming up.
Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
I must say, that will definitely do. That even got me smiling a little bit when I heard that. It sounded actually pretty good. Yeah, so after that listening test, the audio quality is very good. $75. I don't think anything's gonna beat that price range, especially for noise canceling over-the-ear headphones with 50 hours of battery life. It's really good. Comfort-wise, they feel really good as well. I like that. Design looks very nice. It does have the 3.5mm jack. You wanna plug this into your phone or a computer. Also, I love how they fold. Folding headphones are a must. I love folding headphones. If you can fit them somewhere and travel with them, just makes it all the better. And that is the Anker Soundcore Q45. Overall, these headphones are very good for the price. They definitely beat the AirPod Max if you compare them value-wise. I'll be using these to fill my active noise canceling work from home needs. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and let me know down below if you'll be buying these headphones. Peace.